Hi guys, welcome to my channel Soil and Margaritas. I am so excited that you're here today. It is the middle of August and my hydrangeas, my Limelight hydrangeas are doing just amazing. They are starting to bloom, they are starting to turn into this off creamy white color that I absolutely love on them. And some of the branches look a little bit floppy. We had this crazy storm a couple of days ago with lots of rains, and that kind of blew them away. Literally, they were flat on the ground, and it took them a couple of days to go up and strong again, but a couple of the branches are still low, and that's okay. We of course cannot control the weather, and when we have heavy rains with really high winds, that's what happens to your plants, and that's okay. They still look and smell amazing. If you have been following me for a while, you know that I love this hydrangea hedge that I have on the side of the property. It sort of becomes my natural wall to give me some privacy and to just give me this awesome view. If you are interested in seeing how I make this happen, I will link some past videos to the description below, and then you can find all of the information there. Basically this year all I did was I came in the early spring and I pruned them hard. I forgot to fertilize them. I totally spaced that, and obviously right now when they're blooming I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to wait until the fall, give them a little bit of fertilizer for next year, and I'm going to call it a year for the hydrangeas. I know that there are a lot of new varieties coming out this year for improved and stronger hydrangeas, but honestly I have been so pleased and so happy with these Limelights that I do not see the need to get the newer or the stronger version. These, to me, being in full sun, getting hit with rain and winds and looking like this, they are a winner already in my book. So I'm going to leave you here with a few clips on how they're looking, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Until the next time.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call?